Hey, I'm Ty with WTI, and this is my Bob's Red Mill gluten-free honey oat granola. My favorite thing about this granola is its delicious flavor and the fact that it is gluten-free. This pack of 4 12-ounce bags is a delightful addition to my pantry. The honey-infused oats in this granola create a perfect balance of sweetness and nuttiness. It's a versatile and satisfying option for breakfast, snacks, or even to sprinkle over your yogurt for added crunch. Being gluten-free, it caters to dietary preferences and restrictions without compromising on taste and texture. Bob's Red Mill is known for its commitment to quality, and this granola is no exception. It's flavorful and hearty, and the convenience of having 4 of these ensures that I have a steady supply, and the resealable bags maintain freshness for an extended period. This is a great option for a quick, nutritious breakfast or snack, and it provides a good source of whole grains. So I highly recommend this very tasty granola if you're looking for a delicious addition to your meals. And that's my point of view.